everybody, Renee here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to remove and replace the tail light bulbs in a 2013 Chevy Cruze. Procedures will be similar for most Cruze models from 2011 to 2015, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Open the trunk. Use a small flathead screwdriver to open the two circular covers on the inside panel of the assembly. With those open, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the two screws securing the assembly. Inside the trunk, behind the taillight assembly, remove the two push pins using a trim tool. Pull back the trunk liner behind the taillight assembly to access the plug for the wiring harness. Use a small flathead screwdriver to disengage the lock on the harness. Then push in on the tab to unplug it. Now use a trim tool to gently pry the taillight assembly out from the vehicle, starting at the inside panel. The whole assembly should release directly toward the rear of the car. Remove the rubber grommet from the opening in the body and carefully pull the wiring harness through the opening. To remove the taillight bulb from the assembly, turn the socket counterclockwise and carefully pull it out. To remove the bulb from the socket, gently pull directly out on it. When you install your new bulb, make sure to wear clean gloves to avoid touching the glass with your bare hands. Finger oils or grease can create hot spots on the glass and cause it to burn out prematurely. Push your new bulb into the socket. Install the bulb and socket in the assembly by aligning its tabs with their openings, then turning it clockwise to secure it. Use the same procedure to change any of the other bulbs in the assembly if needed. Feed the wiring harness back through the opening in the body and install the grommet, making sure it seals the opening. Align the plastic tabs on the inside of the assembly with their openings on the body, and push the assembly into place, making sure you don't pinch any wiring. Once the assembly is in place, secure it using the two screws you removed earlier, and snap the covers back down. Back in the trunk, reconnect the wiring harness. Reposition the liner behind the taillight assembly, making sure its edge is under the weather stripping. Reinstall the two push pins securing the liner. It's usually a good idea to replace tail light and brake light bulbs in pairs, since they're likely the same age and have experienced the same amount of use. So, replace the bulb on the other side as well. Close the trunk. And that's it! You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional shop or certified auto repair service center in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you'll see all our new video content. We'll see you again soon.